I had to come back because it's just gone off. Sorry. So we'll put on the spacer. This is keeping them together is the problem. The spacer and a small bead. Spacer and a larger bead. And keep doing that until you've got them all on. Let me just make sure we got the same thing going. Oops, that was without a spacer. Yeah, spacer. We started with a small bead, we must end with a large bead. Like that. So you just do them like that. And then, like I say, it does save wasting all the wires. Why waste? Do the same with this as I've done before. A long twist there. Take that off and you bend that under. And then what you need is to pop on the pearl in the middle. Let's do one not too big. There's another one. I'm just going to kind of like dab it on it all. And sit it in there like that. That's it. And that's how you do those. And you make your own. You do them every way you can think of. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hang on. Wait there. Because I've just started this as another video, so I might as well do another bow. I might as well, haven't I? You know, I don't want to waste the video, do I? Right, so I take these two again. Now, this is the one I'm going to trim that down. Burnish that off. And pull these outwards a little bit, that's it. So I'm going to pop that on there. Well, we might as well use up what we've got. Like that. I just loved that one. Let me just see if I've got... What else can I use? Ooh, look at these bows. These little bows. Oops, that way. I think what I'm going to do... I could just do a little bow like that, couldn't I? Look. See, you can have them anyhow you want. But I like these. So I'm going to put this in. Again, I just loved them. And then I will do another one of these, I think. So I'm going to burnish this one. Take hold. Keep the wire, obviously. Fold them together. Okay. Let's do this. Right, I need to pull that out like that. Do one fold there and one fold there. Do that. And pop that on there. Did I put a thing on that one and that one? No, I didn't do it on that one, but I will. Beautiful, isn't it? Just a nice, delicate bow. I'm going to hang something from there as well. I do like them to have a little bit of a dangle somewhere. Not that one. Now I've got this, so yes, I'm going to do that. Because I like it. It's just going to be flash. Why not? And we can do bits there. Why not be flash, flash? Like that. Oh, just beautiful. Yep. Now that needs to be bent over, so it's bending the wrong way and it's not laying straight. That's it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, sure is. Right, let's get a bit of felt. Let me just find, oh, I've got these are already cut. Okay, I want to say I used to have them cut ready. That's on there like that. That's that one, and then one on here. Oops. I think I dropped that on there actually. I did at the back, but never mind, it doesn't matter. That's that. There, so we've got that one, and the Marie Antoinette one, which they're all Marie Antoinette. She would have worn all her bows like this. That's it. And I've shown you how to make those as well. Thanks for watching, take care. Speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.